Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, the question is, describe a place you visited that has been affected by pollution. Where is it? When you visited this place, what kind of pollution you saw there, and explain how this place was affected.
Okay.
मैम मैं स्टार्ट कर दूं फिर?
Oh, okay, fine, Ashdeep, you start.
I have visited various places in India which are totally polluted with water, noise, and air pollution. Here I would like to talk about uh, here I would like to talk about a particular company or a refinery which I have visited a couple of years ago. It was the time when our school teachers organized a trip for us. We visited our refinery where LP gas is made. Even
What is made?
LPG gas.
Okay, liquefied petroleum gas.
And oil is also processed over there. So we visited that refinery for knowing the procedure of making oil and liquid petroleum gas, so we can gain knowledge. But I was totally affected with water, air, and noise pollution. The noise of machines was too much, so I got headache, and I was unable to hear, and I was unable to talk with I was unable to talk with my friends because of the noise of machines. Even water is totally contaminated. They were wasting. They were throwing waste water into river because there is a river near to refinery, and I felt very uncomfortable over there. The air was not fresh. I was unable to take unhealthy breath. So so these are the reasons I found that this refinery is too much polluted with water, noise, and air pollution. And in future, I would not like to visit over there because I felt uncomfortable over there. And I will also recommend to government to take some strict actions for the owners who are that who are running this factory, and there should be some penalties and bans for those who are polluting the environment.
Okay, okay. Very good answer. Very well said. Good.
मैं कंफ्यूज जा हो गई थी थोड़ा सा.
कंफ्यूज आप किस में हो गए थे? सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन में?
हाँ जी मैम, फिर ऑन दी स्पॉट ना मुझे बोला नहीं जाता.
It's okay. That you have to practice because there in the exam you have to speak on the spot. So your answer was very good. The idea was good. So you talked about all kinds of pollution. Okay. So you talked about water pollution, noise pollution, and air pollution. So you
हाँ जी.
covered all three kinds of pollution. You can even talk about one particular kind of pollution. That's up to you how you answer. So here, when you answered, you said that which I visited a couple of years ago. You said which I have visited a couple of years ago. So you will say which I visited a couple of years ago, and then you visited there so that we could gain knowledge. That's why you
हाँ
visited.
हाँ जी मैम.
Okay. And then the water was even contaminated, was not is. You said the water is also water is
अच्छा.
even contaminated. So you're talking about the past, so you will say was. And then I was unable to take unhealthy breathe. So this sentence is grammatically incorrect.
ओके मैम.
So I was unable to breathe
ठीक.
properly.
ओके मैम.
So the air or the environment was quite unhealthy for me, and I was unable to breathe properly. So and then you said I would like to suggest or advise. What did you say about the
Suggest.
government? Yes,
Suggest.
to the government to take strict action
हाँ जी मैम.
against the owners, not for the owners, against the owners.
हाँ जी मैम.
So these are the few mistakes.
Okay मैम.
Okay, good.
Thank.
Okay, now Abhimanyu, you will start. Describe a
Okay,
place
ma'am.
you visited that has been affected by pollution.
Okay. Last time I visited New Delhi, the capital city of India, and I noticed that the city was bleeding with air pollution. The condition was such that the the weather was foggy and the visibility was less than 50 meters. I think. Uh, but I noticed that the fog was not according uh, as per the weather suggested. It was because of the level of pollution which uh, which arises because of the sudden festival, yeah, because of this festival Diwali, and the lot of air pollution was also there. So together with both reason, the city was very foggy, and I was not able to breathe properly. And I noticed that most of the people uh, walking on a street with having a mask on their face, and which I was scattered. I was very scared that uh, yeah, means the condition is health condition going to be very bad if I will stay here for a long time. uh, I read a newspaper and I found that government is going to take a very strict action to ameliorate the air quality. uh, and I also watched some videos on the news that the government is also looking for some policies to implement in order to reduce the air pollution. I also find that the local firms are also supporting the government in order to reduce the air pollution in Delhi. And people are very much cooperative. I think, I don't know what is the reason, but the awareness came through uh, because uh, the figures coming from the hospitals are very scary, because a lot of people have affected from the respiratory diseases. So overall, I think uh, the city was very much bleeding with the air pollution, and I think there should be a strict action required by the government and the local firms in order to uh, make the condition better for the good health of the people of the Delhi.
Of Delhi.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you said that you saw air pollution over there, basically. What kind of pollution you saw there, and explain how this place was affected. So people were wearing, even people were wearing masks because there was a lot of air pollution. And then you
Yes.
concluded the answer by giving your suggestions. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now when you started your answer with last time, you could have said last year, last time in the month of December, or you have to specify. It's better that you specify the time or
Okay,
the
so
month, or
I
then.
said last year December, last December I said.
Okay, you started with last time when I visited, so
Okay,
last year you can say.
okay,
Okay,
okay, ma'am.
or and I believe, or I think that the visibility. What did you say? The visibility was
Visibility
poor
was
because.
less than 50 meter.
Yes, yes, which had risen due to the pollution caused by the bursting of the crackers, because the festival of Diwali had just passed